Today we're looking at a Frogger game. Without further ado, let's get some batteries in it. And on. Nothing. Okay, let's get into it. Here we are. Capacitor looks okay. It's got a Konami IC in it. That's interesting. So, Konami IC and a TX92. That looks okay. Right, we'll do the usual. Does this come out? What have we got here? C2334. Okay, let's see what we've got here. 6. Charging up. 6. I think that one's pretty okay. And then that one there. Okay. Oh. Okay. So it's a battery issue then, is it? Or it's a... Well, that's interesting. It's not as broken as I thought. The battery terminals themselves look really clean. Doesn't look like there's any issue there. I wonder if it's just a cold solder joint on this or something. So let's check the continuity. So from here, so that should go to the negative. And it does. And then if we go from the positive, okay, so and those two are together. Let's put the batteries back in and then something's happening, look, because right, what voltage are we getting here? Okay, we'll just reflow all these points. All right, let's try that then. Let's put the batteries back in. That's interesting, isn't it? Let's check the voltage. We're getting here and here. 5.8. No. Ah, I think it could be this switch. I think this switch is maybe either dirty or just got some dirt in it or something. Because it seems to be if I move that. Yeah, yeah, it's definitely this. It's definitely this. So does this board come out now? Yay. Okay. Okay, that's for that. Okay, the board looks all right. Let's reflow the rest of these. You know what? I'm going to reflow this one as well. Okay, the batteries are back in. Sound's off. Yep. Okay, let's put it back together. We'll put this back on. Right, here we go. So let's put the sound on and let's make sure it's working. Right, I've got to, I can't see the only one thing I'm wondering about is that display at the top doesn't look quite right. Should that not say 0024? So the one next to it is okay. This one doesn't look right, and this one doesn't look right. Okay. It's either going to be something from the CPU side. These are all fine, but it does seem to be a little bit, you know, it looks like somebody's been at this before. So I think we'll go over all of these, tidy them up a bit, and then let's see if that makes a difference. Okay, so we've redone them, and yeah, I think they look good. There was a couple that, yeah, were not brilliant. Right, here we go. Let's give it a test. Yes. That's better. The scores are properly formed now, so let's give it a one game. Okay, so there we go. Great looking game. Really glad to get this fixed. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.